Understanding the offer. Upon your review, you will notice that the attached lease proposal proposes payment in barter for a portion of the lease. As you consider whether this proposal is viable, please review the following information before you make your decision. 1. What is barter? Organized commercial barter has evolved over the last 30 years into an electronic banking system with an alternative currency that makes it possible for businesses to trade their excess capacity and excess inventory for products and services that they need. Just as the US dollar has value because of the products and services you can purchase with it, barter credits have a similar value in that they may be used to purchase many of the same products and services you purchase every day with US dollars. In the absence of cash buyers, barter has become popular because it fills a void where a cash transaction is not possible, and because it just makes good business sense. The prospective tenant making this offer has agreed to deposit their goods and/or services with Equitrade International, a barter finance facilitator that provides a marketplace for commercial barter transactions, and use their excess capacity to fund a portion of this lease proposal. 2. How does it work? To receive payment in barter for the barter portion of this proposed lease, you will simply open an account with Equitrade International Incorporated at www.equitradeintl.com, into which the stated amount of barter credits will be deposited monthly as proposed. You may then spend the barter credits in your account with other Equitrade clients in lieu of cash for items that you purchase every day. Items that you may consider purchasing with your barter account include property maintenance and improvement, promotion and marketing, real estate commissions, real estate acquisitions, professional services such as attorneys and accountants, travel and entertainment. 3. Why doesn't the prospective tenant just pay their rent in cash? As you know, cash has been hard to come by in recent years due to the economic downturn. Barter makes it possible for businesses to expand because they're using their excess capacity to pay for their expansion. Your new tenant will supply Equitrade with gift certificates from their business each month as payment for the barter portion of their rent. Equitrade then sends them new customers to redeem those gift certificates, and they soon become cash-paying customers for your tenant. 4. Why should I consider this offer? Vacant space in your property is time-sensitive and perishable. In the absence of a cash-paying tenant, it makes sense to fill space and receive payment in barter rather than let the space sit vacant, especially when you can use barter to capture a cash-paying tenant in the future. You have no incremental cost to leasing a new space. Therefore, you have no cost in your barter dollar. Your prospective new tenant will be paying their pro rata portion of CAM, taxes, and insurance, if applicable, in cash from the lease inception, helping you to defray some of your fixed operating costs. And higher occupancy drives your rate higher and attracts other prospective cash-paying tenants who would normally avoid properties with high vacancies. When you use your barter credits for budgeted expense items, you conserve your cash and your net operating income increases. Even in the best of economic times, you will allow for a vacancy factor that you would never expect to fill. If you consider a barter strategy part of that vacancy loss and use it to capture new cash-paying tenants, it's a win-win strategy for everybody. For more information about how to make this proposal work for your property, please call Equitrade at 678-951-9030.